In this ukulele tutorial, we are wrapping up our song challenge, and we're bringing in a really great motivational song, feel-good song. This one is Panic at the Disco, High Hopes. A 1, 2, 3, and... Had to have high hopes for a living, shooting for the stars, but I couldn't make a killing. I didn't have a dime, but I always had a vision, always had high hopes. Had to have high hopes for a living. I didn't know how, but I always had the feeling I was gonna be that one in a million. Always had high hopes. Mama said, fulfill your prophecy, be something greater. Go make a legacy, manifest destiny. Every day we want everything, we want everything. Mama said, burn your biographies, rewrite your histories, light up your wildest dreams, museum victory. Every day we want everything, we want everything. Mama said, don't give up, it's a little complicated. All tied up, no more love, and I hate to see you wait. Had to have high hopes for a living, shooting for the stars, but I couldn't make a killing. I didn't have a dime, but I always had a vision, always had high hopes. Had to have high hopes for a living. I didn't know how, but I always had a feeling I was gonna be that one in a million. Always had high hopes. Woo! Whew, I'm telling you, there's a lot of lyrics in that song. And it's real easy to get stuff flipped around like I do most of the time. But I always try to get this stuff memorized. So work on it, get it memorized. That way you can focus in on the rhythm, you can focus on the emotion, getting the lyrics and everything. So I find it best to try to get everything memorized if possible. So anyway, thanks for being here for this challenge. If you dig in what we're doing here, check out ukelikethepros.com. We got premium memberships up there. We got courses, ukulele, guitarlele, baritone, everything you need to know to become a great musician and player. So anyway, again, thanks for being here. I appreciate it. Good job. And look forward to seeing your videos. And we'll see you next time.